Hey there, Jeff with Eternity Shore, and I wasn't planning on making a video of this first time maintenance because all I wanted to do was just replace a navigational light that was out. The starboard side light burned out, and that's what it looks like. It was in there, and I've replaced it with an LED light. It's more work than I want it to be for a couple reasons. One is I ordered what I thought the equivalent was for this non-LED light. So this is what I got from Amazon that said it was the equivalent, but it's not. And you can see there's actually all the way around. This light is kind of an all-around light. Looked like it would fit, but it didn't go on, it didn't fit. So went to my local marine store, which is where I should have started in the first place. They are great, and they helped me find the right LED light. So you say, what's the big deal? Move on. Well, I noticed a couple things. One is this is the interior. This is how this light works. Just has a green plastic, shield so that the light will shine through. But first of all, I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's baked on or what, but I'm gonna try to get that crud off. It's not, there's no hole in it. But the reason I'm making this video is because when I went to replace this light and I took the lid off, there's water in here. And actually I noticed that this little gasket right here, there's a gasket, I don't know if you can see that, is broken. It doesn't go all the way around. I doubt I'm going to be able to find something similar. That actually may be the problem. But there are these screw holes here, and it's possible that the water is getting in the screw holes and then it's getting up and under. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this marine epoxy, which I've had for a long time. I used on our previous boat. So I'll show you how this works. At least I hope it works. These are the size screws, so they're very, very small. So I won't need a lot of these, but they're 3 screws. And I'm going to try to fix this. All right, so I have a little acetone. I'm getting out of the heat. It is 90 degrees right now. So let's see if we can clean this up a bit. A little scraper here. I don't know what that is. Try a little bit of acetone on this. See that or not? You could probably see that. It's like syrup. I don't know what that is. Put that down the drain now. Might have gone too far up here because it's a little bit cloudy now, but I only need the piece that shines forward, which I think is right here. So everything else is covered anyway. Okay. So now for those screws, going to use this marine epoxy stuff. Okay. So, take the little top off of this. Previous administration here, as we say, and I really don't need a lot of this. These are very, very small. Okay, I'll put the top back on that. Get this all the way as best I can together. A little bit each on the screws. So we're going to try to waterproof that a little bit more. I think it's coming in from the screws, but I'm not positive. Okay, so there's that. Go out and do this. A little piece. Alright, I got all this extra. Brought my paper towel with me. Oh, here comes some waves. Big waves. I don't know if you can see that, but that is shining. As a boater, if you're a boater, you know, like you go to start a project and it always seems like there's 2 and 3 steps into it. So that's why I wasn't gonna film anything, because I'm just changing a light bulb. That's all you have to do. But no, you gotta, you know, waterproof it. Have a great day. I hope to see your comments so we can interact with one another. Ciao.